Hello everyone. This video will show you how easy is bypass iTunes in just 3 or 4 steps. This video is so simple, make me think Apple is getting so many bugs in the last releases. Bypass iTunes is possible by many other methods, since XAMPP and Fiddler, but nothing have done using these methods. Now, you just need Go Music, Playlist, press iPhone, iPad icon in the side tab, and a game playlist on your right device. Tap Edit Playlist, drop any song. Easy, right? Then you just type done. Go to summary in your iPhone icon. That's it. You bypass iTunes. And now, you can see your right device information, phone number, UDID, serial. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.